morning, everybody. It's Bass Presidente here. It's 4:42 a.m. right now. We're going out flounder fishing. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications, give this video a thumbs up. All right, without further ado, let's get on the road.
45 minutes later.
All right, guys, first stop, we are at the tackle box. We're gonna go get some ice, some squid. So, see you in there. 1, 2. All right, guys, we got 2 bags of ice. 1, 2. I'll distribute that a little later. 2 cups of squid strips. And an 8-ounce lead sinker. All right. Let's head over to the marina. All right, gang, we're going out on the Prowler 5, as you see right there. Setting up the drift. All right, gang, we are here. All right, fellas, let's rock. Nice sea bass. Alright, guys, we are hooked up. What do we got us? Got some head shakes out of it. Oh, alright. It's definitely a short, but it's a decent size short. No? But, alright, we gotta start somewhere.
Oh shit, Ben, take lessons. I'm gonna record this on the GoPro.
You sell a GoPro and make some fishing videos yourself.
Yeah,
you should do it.
Buddy.
That's what we were thinking about it. We were talking about it. He said we should get a GoPro.
Yeah, wouldn't be a bad idea. What do we got?
Yeah, no, it's a bluefish.
Oh, it's a bluefish. Oh, get that. We're keeping that thing. Good. Get him up here. I'm taking that thing home.
Giant tuna bait.
Nice. Here, my cooler's right here. Throw it in my cooler. All right. Not a fluke,
You
but.
want me to bleed him, or you just want?
Man, it's just fun. Get lost, will ya? You ain't getting anything. Oh, wow. Good one right here. I get somebody else's line?
Yeah, that's why I was like, what the fuck is it?
Whose line was it on? There we go.
Yeah, we got some sharp fucking.
Rat. Got us a rat right here. Whoa, easy.
You ripped his lip off.
I wonder if he's been caught before. I'm in.
Yeah, he threw him a bag of money. He threw him a bag of cheeseburgers. Yeah, they're fresh.
There we go.
No, I'm right here. I'm right here. Don't get nervous.
It's not big though, whatever it is. Yeah, it's a rat.
Trying everything in the world to try to get the fuck off.
Mr. Kim got an icy mess. What?
I can't believe that he can't move it, you can't move it.
There we go.
How the fuck is that?
Oh, look at this. I got a monster. Look at this. Oh, look, it's a monster.
Take it there. Try that.